Then we are out trying to pick up the Passat that we get from a place here, and it's having on test plates and trying to drive it home. The sun is up. We just have to see how it's going and just have to test it a little first now before we start on the big roads. So I just try to put up the camera and show what we are doing. A very positive thing in my eyes is have a very nice blue color. And it's a added line, but of course this shit is just dropping off here, middle of the doors, around the opening, in the back, the whole back end, on the roof. Yeah, the most part here, the whole back here need to be scraped off. Down here. But it's a 2-liter diesel 4MOTION 4-wheel drive. But one problem that was happening, it have been hit here, so the styling system and things around here need to be fixed. Or back here, but here small the rust or the rust. More rust, more. Break this when things are rusty from be standing so long. So just have to just take it carefully. I've been driving for almost half an hour, and there's no power in the car. It's completely powerless. You can give a little gas and it's okay, and come to a point it's just like it's shut down. Don't want to give it anything more. You have the engine light standing on, and you have the light for the preheating, what do you call it? The preheat the injectors. No, not the injectors, but the system. That is done flashing. And I'm here now, I'm on the flat ground and trying to give more gas. Nothing happened. So give a little, then take in a little, and then it's just. It's a turbo engine, as my friend who's helping me now say he had a Passat like this, where the turbo was going completely. No, I can't get it in gear. The clutch. Losing power to the clutch. I got it down to second gear. I think I'm leaking clutch fluid too. I can't carry it at all. Yeah, the clutch pedal was making problems. It's some leakage somewhere. So I was filling up on the brake reservoir, but it's somewhere else it's leaking. So that is thing I have to look at. All the filters, of course, muff sensor cleaning. The muff sensor is in here. I have to check that. The filter here, filter inside. Change oil. Find where the oil sensor under the car is, to change that one. I have to check up if I have to do it at the same time. Other things, yeah, it's a lot of things. Rust, many places with rust, but the brakes seems to work very nice when I start to use them. And I had to find out why it come up aero code on the engine. Hopefully it's only because of the sensors, but they're going to read off the codes and a lot of things. But at least I got it in the garage now. Since this is a free car, it's problems. But okay, if you can't fix it, you can trash it and get the money back. So this is not a crisis, but we can make a lot of videos to try to do things we can. Can see about the rust on everything, and yeah, that would be nice. So now I just want to disconnect the battery, because yeah, because it's this car. So I just disconnect the plus. Yeah, it was 10mm, so I just disconnected the plus, so I can just leave it here for a while. I hope you guys would like to see more about this Passat, and then I hope you come back and subscribe to the channel, and then we can take it from there. I think it's going to be a lot to do on this one. It's more than I was thinking maybe, but okay. It's a lot of things on it. Has sensors for is it for a car in front, it have park help and all kinds of things. So we just have to see. Let's put this one back, and then please come back, please subscribe to the channel, please write a comment, and then we talk later. Goodbye.